The White House is demanding China turn over data from the earliest days of the coronavirus outbreak, citing deep concerns about the way the findings of the World Health Organization's COVID-19 report were communicated. White House National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan released a statement on Saturday saying it is imperative that the report be independent and free from alteration by the Chinese. The statement echoed concerns that had been raised by the administration of former President Donald Trump, who also moved to quit the WHO over the issue after Washington said it wanted to review data from a 4-week WHO-led mission investigating the origins of the outbreak in China. Earlier this week, the organization that it was not looking further into the question of whether the virus escaped from a lab, which it considered high. The Trump administration had said it suspected the virus may have escaped from a Chinese lab, which Beijing has struck. Sullivan noted that President Joe Biden had quickly reversed the decision to disengage from the WHO, but said it was imperative to protect the organization's credibility. Re-engaging the WHO also means holding it to the highest standards. Sullivan, we have deep concerns about the way in which the early findings of the COVID-19 investigation were communicated and questions about the process. Biden, who is spending his first weekend at the Camp David presidential retreat in the mountains of western Maryland, will meet with his national security advisors on Saturday, a White House official. China refused to give raw data on early COVID-19 cases to the WHO-led team probing the origins of the pandemic, according to one of the team's investigators, potentially complicating efforts to understand how the outbreak began. Share this article. The team had requested raw patient data on 174 cases that China had identified from the early phase of the outbreak in the city of Wuhan in December 2019, as well as other cases, but were only provided with a summary. Dominic Dwyer, an Australian infectious diseases expert who is a member of the WHO team, told it is imperative that this report be independent, with expert findings free from intervention or alteration by the Chinese government. Sullivan said, to better understand this pandemic and prepare for the next one, China must make available its data from the earliest days of the outbreak. No comment was immediately available from the Chinese embassy in Washington or the going forward. All countries, including China, should participate in a transparent and robust process for preventing and responding to health emergencies. Sullivan